Hi guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to guide you into the subconscious mind and to boost your immune system with this guided breathwork practice. Now, I'm not going to go into any of the science in this short video, but if any of you do want to learn about the science behind breathwork, do make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will be posting some more videos about how breathwork affects the mind, the body, the immune system, and both hemispheres of the brain. Equally, if anyone has any questions, please do drop them in the comments below, or if you have any crazy experiences, please do share them with us, because it's likely during these sessions to see colors, visions, geometric patterns, and even sometimes have out-of-body experiences. We're working deeply with the immune system, with the vagus nerve, with all of the main energy points, the chakra system of the human body, and also with both hemispheres of the brain. Now, in this specially guided breathwork practice, I have created a soundtrack for you which takes you through the entire journey. Now, there's going to be 3 rounds of guided breathwork. The first round is all about activating this rest and digest, this parasympathetic nervous system response in the body, and it incorporates the breathing rhythms of in for 2 and out for 4. Now, it is scientifically proven that if we breathe in this manner for as little as 5 minutes, we start to switch the mind from being in fight and flight into rest and digest. Now guys, just so we know, when we're in a fight and flight response, which most of us are in a lot of the time without realizing, the immune system becomes repressed and lowered. Now globally, the #1 killer is cardiovascular related illnesses, and the #1 disability worldwide is anxiety and depression as it stands at current. So in this 25-minute guided breathing exercise, just know that we're working directly with boosting our cardiac health and strength, and we're also working to eliminate any low, dense vibrational emotions such as anxiety, depression, sadness, anger. We're rising above them and coming into these places of love, acceptance, and just in a place of neutrality in a sense. So between each round of guided breathing, there's going to be a phase where we empty the lungs fully. When I instruct you, you empty the lungs and you hold for as long as you possibly can. Once you've held your lungs empty for as long as you possibly can and you've overstepped your comfort zone, we then want to take a deep in-breath and hold it at the top for 10 to 15 seconds. We're working with the push and pull effects of oxygen and CO2 to keep health and vitality in the system. In the 3rd and 4th round, we're going to be breathing in even counts, which is going to be putting the body into these states of coherence. So that's like the mind, the heart, all of the bodily functions come into this nice, smooth, even wave so that we can really start to allow the system to calm down and to stay in an optimal state. So just surrender to this practice. Let go of any judgments, any expectations. You're just breathing to a music track which I have specially created for you, which is going to take you into complete euphoria. It's likely that you're going to see colors, visions, you may even have out-of-body experiences. Just know that this is all part of the experience because we're working with the higher energy points, and we're also working directly with the 3rd eye. So the main word is to surrender, to let go and just completely immerse yourself into this guided breathwork exercise. We want to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth as much as we possibly can throughout the entire session. And when you're instructed to empty the lungs, just completely let go. Make sure you're laying down for this practice. It's really important that you're not doing anything that requires your attention, and also that you're very firmly supported, because like I say, you can get tingly, you can get lightheaded, and it's really important that you're in a safe space. So enjoy this session, guys. I really look forward to hearing what experiences you had. If you saw any colors or visions, please leave them down in the comments below and let us know exactly what came up for you. And just know we're going deep into the subconscious mind as well. We're letting go of old emotions that don't serve us anymore. You may experience feelings of sadness come up. You may experience feelings of happiness come up. Don't judge, don't attach, just witness and allow them to flow by. The more we release these old dense energies, the more we make room for new, and it's all about letting go of the old. So during these sessions, you are going to experience full body vibrations, almost like tingling in the fingers and the toes. It can also feel like pins and needles, or sometimes you might even get full body spasms. Just know this is all part of the healing process, and it's absolutely nothing to worry about. But if at any point it does become too intense, if you really don't like it, Just return to your normal flow of breath and join back in whenever you're ready. But remember, we really want to overstep the comfort zone by just a footstep, so we start to increase our resilience. And when we learn to increase our resilience in this situation, we start to increase our ability to overcome stress in any situation we experience in life. We're not going to be doing the breath holds for any longer than 2 minutes in this session, but just know the world record is 18 minutes for holding the lungs empty, guys. And that just goes to show how much we can really sink beyond the mind's limitations. You are so much more powerful than your mind's limitations, so just trust and surrender into these experiences. Go above and beyond your expectations. And I look forward to seeing you on future journeys. Do let me know exactly what came up for you guys, and have an amazing journey. Much love.
And just start to tune in to the flow of your natural breath, to the beat of your heart, as you just allow yourself to completely surrender. Let go of any distractions, judgments, or expectations that you might have, and just allow yourself to witness any thought or feeling that arises without judging, without attaching. Just witness, surrender. And as you get ready to follow the guidance, let's just set an intention to come into this place of unity, of unconditional love. Tap into your infinite power and let go of anything that no longer serves you. Breathing in strength and out stress. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, feeling yourself relaxing more and more with every full emptying of the diaphragm. 3, 4. In, just keep sinking down, surrendering to the flow of your breath. 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 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 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, deeper into the heart center as we come into these feelings of compassion, empathy, unconditional love, and unity. The belly, and exhale, completely empty the lungs as we come into our first empty lung hold phase. Just completely trust and surrender into this moment of deep cellular healing. Just witness the sensations around your body, the tingles in the fingers, the toes, as you allow the music to guide you. Just trust. Let go to any visions or colors you might see. Go beyond your mind's comfort zone. You are more powerful than your mind's limitations. Keep sinking. If you need to take a breath before I give you the cue, that's okay. But just remember, the longer you hold, the more you heal. Going deeper into the subconscious mind, activating dormant brain parts as you strengthen your immunity, your cardiac strength. And if you haven't already, take a deep in-breath now. And hold it. And exhale, let it go. As we come into our second round, in for 4 and out for 4. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4, That's it, we're nearly there with our second round. Out. Keep the breaths continuous and circular. 3, 4, out, 2, 3. Drawing life force, energy, prana, in with every in-breath. As you let go of any tension or strain with your exhale. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 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 and fully into the belly. And exhale, completely empty the lungs. Coming into our second empty lung hold phase, where all of the healing takes place. Just completely trust and surrender into this moment of deep cellular healing. You are so powerful. More powerful than you have ever been led to believe. Just feel this energy circulating, pulsating in every single cell as you continue to surrender. If you need to take a breath before I give you the cue, that's okay. But just remember, the longer you hold, the more you heal. Going deeper into the subconscious mind, activating dormant brain paths as you strengthen your immunity, your cardiac strength. And if you haven't already, take a deep in-breath now and hold it. And exhale, let it go. In, 2, out, 2, in, 2, out, 2, in, 2, out. And our final round, start to breathe a little bit deeper. In, 2, drawing more health, confidence into the body. And letting go of anything that doesn't serve you. In, 2, out, 2, 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 in, 2, out, 2. And we're nearly there with our final round, keeping the breaths continuous. If you lose rhythm, just join back in whenever you're ready. feeling these sensations drawing more into the body, to your infinite power, circulating, vibrating, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Fully into the belly and hold it. Lock this energy before we empty for the final round. And exhale now, completely empty the lungs as we come in to our final breath hold phase, sinking even deeper beyond the mind's comfort zone. You are more powerful than your mind's limitations. Surrender, trust, and allow yourself to come in to this feeling of complete euphoria. Tune in to the frequency of the music. Relax the shoulders, the entire body, as we go deeper into the cellular activation. So much more powerful than you've been led to believe. So just keep sinking. Going deeper into the subconscious. Just witness your thoughts, your feelings. And if you haven't already, you can take a deep in-breath now and hold it, rebalancing the O2 in the system. And exhale, let go. As you return to your normal flow of breath. And as we come into our final relaxation, just keep your awareness internalized as you make a conscious note of any thoughts or feelings that may have come to you during your session. Any colors, visions, feelings of resistance. Just make a note. just start coming back to the physical body as you wiggle your toes, your fingers, moving your head lightly from side to side, interlocking the hands and stretching tall above the head. Take a deep in-breath, and as you release the hands, hug the knees into the chest for a moment of self-love, gratitude, and then rolling onto the right side of the body. Whenever you're ready, pressing back up into a seated position as we finish today's session with 3 conscious breath reminders.